In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get X.com or Twitter videos on your PC using the official method. This is a simple, fast, and safer way to save videos directly from X when the download option is available. If you've ever wanted to keep a video for offline viewing, reference, or easy access later, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that this method uses an official X premium subscription. That means the download feature is only available on accounts that have access to that premium option. Once you've confirmed that your account can use the feature, go ahead and open X.com in your browser or open the X app on your computer if you're already signed in. Now find the video you want to save. You can do this by scrolling through your feed, searching for the post, or opening the profile that shared the video. When you locate the video, click it so it opens properly on the post page. Make sure the video is fully loaded before going to the next step because the download option will appear in the post's menu. Next, look for the three dots icon on the post. In some cases, you may see a share icon instead, depending on the layout you're using. This menu contains extra options for the post, including actions like sharing, muting, reporting, and, if your account has access, downloading the video. Click the three dots or the share icon to open the menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Download Video. If the option is available, simply click it. It will then start saving the video to your PC automatically. In most cases, the file will download into your default Downloads folder, so after it finishes, you can open the File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder to find it. If you don't see the Download Video option, that usually means the feature isn't available for that post or your account doesn't currently have access to it. In that case, double check that you're signed into the correct X Premium account and that the post itself supports downloading. This is important because not every video will show the same menu options. After the download is complete, you can rename the file if you want to organize it better on your computer. You can also move it into a separate folder for saved clips, content references, or offline viewing. That makes it much easier to find later if you download videos often. So, to quickly recap, open the video you want to save, click the three dots or share icon on the post, and then select Download Video. That's the official way to get X.com or Twitter videos on your PC when the option is available. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require any complicated tools. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.